Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Earth to Rocco. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious mushroom steak. Mama Gina made this for us the other night and I could not stop eating it. Portobellos are the perfect meat replacement. This is because they have such a satisfying texture and an array of flavors. Portobellos soak up sauces easily, making for a flavorful and fulfilling dish. You can use portobellos for all your meat substitutes. You won't be disappointed. They've got a perfect savory and umami flavor. Umami! So let me show you how to make them. My mushrooms have already been washed and dried. So first, just remove the stem from your portobello. Technically they're edible, but they can be woody and fibrous. I'm also going to be removing the gills. The gills are also edible, but they'll turn the mushrooms into a dark, nasty brown color, and we don't want that. The gills also tend to taste bitter.
Why did the mushroom cross the road?
Why did the mushroom cross the road?
To prove it wasn't a steak.
What? Where's he getting these jokes? Okay. Now we're gonna prepare the marinade.
A Mexican goes into a Chinese restaurant, looks at the bottle of soy sauce and says, "Yes, yes, you are." Get it? Soy sauce.
I don't get it.
Soy. Yo soy.
Oh, soy sauce.
What's wrong with him? So we'll start by putting in some soy sauce in a bowl. Now we'll add some extra virgin olive oil. A little bit of agave. I'm going to use about less than a capful of liquid smoke. Now we'll put in some balsamic glaze. If you don't have balsamic glaze, you can use balsamic vinegar. Some garlic powder, onion powder, dried ground thyme, just a pinch of salt, and black pepper. And just give it a quick mix. I'm just gonna brush this marinade on both sides of the mushrooms. You want to make sure they're generously coated. I'm going to save the rest of this to add to the mushrooms as they're cooking. So I'm going to leave the mushrooms with the ugly side face up so that they're ugly. The sauce is kind of pooling inside of them and it's going to absorb a lot better this way. We'll let this marinate for about half an hour. I'm using a large grill pan because it's cold here in Canada and we can't use the barbecue. So I'm just going to start preheating it by turning the stove on high. I forgot to mention that I did oil this. The oil's starting to dance around a bit, so I know it's ready to start cooking. So now I'm going to put the portobellos on the grill. So you don't want to touch these, we just want to leave them until they're seared on the top. So these have now been cooking for about 3 minutes and I'm going to give them about a quarter turn. I just want to get some nice grill marks. So it's been another 3 minutes and now I'm going to flip them over. Just be careful because the liquid might splatter. I'm also just going to reduce the heat a little bit. I'm now going to use the rest of the marinade to brush the top. These are now ready and they look really good. So I'm just going to put them back in the tray and then I'm going to cut them to serve. That is so freaking delicious. It's got a smokiness, a sweetness, and the mushrooms bring out that umami flavor. Can't wait to finish it. Thank you for joining this fun guy again. If you liked today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And hit that subscribe button to keep up to date with my latest vegan recipes. Head on over to earth2rocco.com for the ingredients and instructions for today's recipe and more. Excuse me while I munch on this mushroom.